Oh man, I can't wait for my online school chef competition. Wait. Jeffy, what are you doing here?
I'm a cook.
No, you are not. You're just a kid.
You suck.
No, I don't.
Ask dinner.
Already did.
And he hates you.
Well, no. He likes my fruitless surprise.
Mm-mm.
Yes, he does. Yes, he does.
Yeah.
Admit it.
It's better than the freaking green beans.
Okay. I like. My cooking, especially my steamed green beans, are delicious. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Okay, so why did you call? You know what? I don't have time for this. I'm just gonna watch videos on my iPhone. Yeah.
Ew. Poor.
What do you mean?
You have that freaking iPhone or iPod.
Dude, it's an iPhone 8. It's an iPhone 8 Plus. It's a good
I
phone.
got the X10R.
Look, no one cares about the 10R, okay?
No one cares about the 8.
Listen, I only get paid
You
10.
have fun.
Dude, listen, Jeffy, listen. I only get paid 10 cents a month. 10 cents a month. I'm actually lucky to have this.
How are you paying it?
I'm paying it because I'm stealing stuff out of Bowser's bank account. Don't tell him.
Bowser.
No. Don't tell him. I love these videos. So listen, why did you call me? Can you stop right now? Why are you doing that? That's stupid.
Green beans are better than your crap.
No, they are not. They're good. They're delicious.
Suck on my pee.
Okay, that's it. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
Wait, Peeper,
What?
do you have my song on iTunes?
Do I have your song on iTunes? No! Why would I have your song on iTunes? That's it. Goodbye.
Why?
Just
Go to
goodbye.
what? Go to what?
Nothing. Goodbye.
Follow me on Spotify.
No. Goodbye.